And State Question 843 would gradually eliminate home property taxes. Supporters say this would line the pockets of homeowners with more cash, but critics say the impact on schools and local government services would be extreme.
We're obviously here fighting about whether it's constitutional or not, even before the people get to choose it.
The fight over State Question 843 reached the Oklahoma Supreme Court Tuesday, as justices weighed whether a proposal to eliminate property taxes on homesteads can even make it to voters. At stake is $1.5 billion annually. Right now, that money largely funds public education, some $1 billion. The rest goes to other services like police, fire, and health departments. Critics of State Question 843 say the measure conflicts with the Oklahoma Constitution and hides the risk from voters.
The problem is that the ballot title on this is disingenuous. They're not telling the voters the truth about what they're going to lose. They're only telling them that we're going to cut your taxes.
Whether my client's proposal is the right one or not, they're there to decide whether it's constitutional or whether people should vote.
Proponents of State Question 843 argue the case isn't about whether eliminating property taxes is good policy. They say it's about whether Oklahomans have the right to do it. Some justices question why the court was being asked to step in before voters even got a say.
Why even have an initiative petition or a referendum if 5 of us can say yes or no to anything before it goes to the people?
Attorneys challenging State Question 843 say there are several articles within the amendment that aren't constitutional. They say those need to be addressed now before supporters spend money gathering signatures. Now, after about an hour and a half, the justices wrapped up oral arguments today. We won't find out what their decision is for several months. Reporting live, Kylie Thomas, KOCO 5 News.